Alright, notes 5.8, geometric probability. Consider the following question. The surface of the Earth consists of about 30% land and 70% water. Assuming that a comet or asteroid would equally likely to strike anywhere on Earth, what's the probability that such an object would strike land instead of water? Think about it. Now, talking about probability here. So, what we know about probability, it's a number from 0 to 1, or from 0% to 100%. So it's from 0% to 100%, or 0 to 1. A probability of 0 or 0% indicates that the event is from 0% is not going to occur. So this won't occur. Probability of 1 or 100% indicates that the event will occur. Like it will snow tonight. There's two types of probability. Theoretical probability is probability that of an event with mathematical precision. In other words, the numerator represents the occurrence of the event you're considering, and the denominator represents the total number of possible outcomes. Experimental probability is a probability of an event based on an experiment that was completed. So this is what should happen. And this is what actually happens. Experimental probability, you actually did an experiment to figure out the probability of something. So if we look at this first one, theoretical probability. There's 30 marbles in a bag and 3 of them are red and marbles drawn from the bag. What's the probability of pulling a red marble? Well, there's 3 red. There's a total of 30. It's 3 out of 30, or 1 out of 10, which is 10%. What's the probability of pulling a marble that is not red? Well, if 3 are red, that means there's 27 that are not red. And once again, the total is still 30, which is 9 out of 10, which is 90%, or 0.9. And this could also be 0.10. Now, a point in the figure at the right is selected at random. What is the probability the selected point is from area A? Well, the probability it's going to be, here's area A, is this small part. So the part is area A. The total part is area B. So it's the part that the probability occurs, which is A, out of the total, which is B. If a dart lands in the blue part of the board, a prize is given. What is the probability that a dart hits the board at random will win? Well, this is the blue part. Well, the area of the blue part, right? So we have our blue part. Area equals base times height. So area equals 10 times 6. So the area of the blue part is 60. And the whole part is this. Alright, so the whole, once again, it's area equals base times height. Area equals 12 times 8, which is 96. So our probability is 60 over 96, which we can simplify to 60 divided by 96, which gives us 0.625, which is 62.5%. So that's the probability it will hit in the blue area. It's the probability of the blue area over the entire area. So if we look at this one, in the shaded region, well, so we need to find the shaded area of the shaded region. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 8, so which is 8. The whole region is 9, so the probability is the shaded part, which is 8, out of the whole region, which is 9. So 8 out of 9, which is also 0.88 repeating, which is approximately 89%. If we look at the next one, what we would know about this one, you could find the area. So it's the shaded, alright, area equals base times height divided by 2. So 1, 2, 3. So it's 3, 1, 2, 3 times 3 divided by 2. Area equals 4.5. And the whole region, it's area equals base times height, so which is just, alright, so we have base, which is 3 times the height, which is 3, so the area equals 9. So the probability is the part, which is 4.5 over 9, which is a half, which is 0.5 or 50%. And now if we look at this last one, what we know is this is, we have to figure out this part here. Alright, so, and the big circle. Alright, so if we look at this, this is 1, 2, 3, has a diameter of 3. So the big circle has a diameter of 3, which means the radius is 1.5. So the area equals pi r squared. So the area equals pi times 1.5 squared. So 1.5 squared. So the area of the big circle is 2.25 pi. Now the area of the small circle, let me change the color. Alright, so that's the big one. The small one, alright, this has a diameter of 1, so the diameter equals 1, which means the radius is 0.5. So area equals pi r squared. So area equals pi times 0.5 squared, which will give us an area of 0.25 pi. So that means the area of the shaded region is the big circle minus the small circle. So the shaded is going to be 2.25 pi minus 0.25 pi, which gives us 2 pi. So that's the shaded, and the big circle is the entire region. So the big circle represents everything, even though that the little one's inside. That's everything. And the shaded region is just this outside. So we're going to get a probability of our shaded region, which is 2 pi, over the whole region, which is the big circle, which is 2.25 pi. Drop your pi's and you have 2 over 2.25. 2 divided by 2.25 gives us a probability of 0.889, which is about 89%. And I hope that one makes sense and you can read all that. Now working up the rest of these for homework, and this is just geometric probability. All you're doing is finding the probability of the whole region and then the probability of the shaded region, and you are going to do the shaded over the whole region, and that's how you figure out probability.